This 102-piece stainless steel cable tie kit was provided to me as a complimentary sample from the seller in exchange for my honest review. So let's take a look at it. If you have any outdoor repair or any heavy-duty fastening job, whether indoor or outdoor, where ordinary plastic zip ties may not be strong enough, this kit gives you everything you need to get started. It includes a heavy-duty cable gun, 100 stainless steel ties measuring just over 11 3/4 inches in length, and also a pair of industrial shears. These ties are made from 304 stainless steel, and they're designed to resist rust, corrosion, UV exposure, high temperatures, and changing weather conditions. And that makes them useful for securing wire fence, chicken coops, bundling cables, fastening pipes, automotive projects, and other indoor and outdoor fastening jobs. Each of these self-locking ties is rated up to 200 pounds of tensile strength, so they're much stronger and more durable than those plastic ties that you already have in your toolbox. They're also pretty simple to use. You simply wrap the tie around what you want to bundle. You place one end into the locking head. You slide the end into the locking gun. Squeeze the handle. That'll tighten it, as you can see right here. And then when you're ready, pull the lever, and that'll cut the excess away. And that leaves a clean, nearly flush finish. But just don't take my word for it. Let's take a look at it in action.
Now, here I've had a tree come down and damage some of the fence, and it actually broke the existing tie. And the neighbor has a dog, and I'm a little bit wary of it coming through. So we're going to use one of these zip ties to repair this fence. Simply take one out, wrap it around the post, the metal locking head, a little bit of a pull, insert the loose end into the fastening tool, squeeze the handle a few times. We now have a snug fit. We use the cutting tool, take off the excess, and now we have a tight fit, a repaired fence, and I don't have to worry about the dog trying to get through. One outdoor application I'm using this for is my garbage can cover. Every time the garbage men empty the can, naturally they bang it on the back of the truck, the cover comes off, and I have to chase it down the block when it's windy. I'm just going to use one tie through, and since it's stainless steel, not only is it going to stand up in the weather, and from the beating that it takes from the garbage men in the garbage truck. I'm going to slide one end through the locking head, pull it snug, insert the loose end into the tool. Now, I'm not going to pull it all the way snug because I do want the cover to have some play. At this point, I'm just going to cut it right there. My cover now is attached and won't be flying. It's not going to be blowing down the block and possibly lost. While we're at it, let's do the opposite side. Through the cover, one end into the locking head, and you can see it's not coming apart. I'm going to just pull it tight enough, and this time I'm going to use the included shears to show you how simple that works. The cover is definitely secured, and I'll never lose that one again.
Another useful feature is that you can actually connect multiple ties together. Simply slide one into the locking head. As you can see, it will not pull apart. Slide into the opposite end, into the gun, and cut. All in a simple motion. It's a convenient way when working with large bundles, large posts, wide posts, or large diameter pipes.
Let's say you'd like to hang Christmas decorations, maybe some roping on your post. You can put the ties together, as we said, since it's a large post. Put one end into the locking head, like here. Pull it snug. Now insert the loose end into the tool. Squeeze the handle. Snap. And you have yourself a fastener for your Christmas decorations, your holiday decorations.
Let me show you a practical indoor application that I used one of these ties for. Here I have a very large bookcase with lots of books, and the weight of the book shifting causes the two individual bookcases to shift. So to combine them, I simply used one of the metal fasteners, and that'll give the shelf unit some stability. Overall, this is a practical and well-equipped kit for anyone who regularly handles outdoor repairs or heavy-duty fastening projects. And if you need something stronger and more weather-resistant than ordinary plastic zip ties, this stainless steel cable tie gun kit is definitely worth considering.